Hello, I am Asad Ahmed from LDtutorials.com. In today's video, we will learn how to get course member in LearnDash. Let's open the function.php file. Here I am using init action. You can use the action that suits your condition. Define the callback function of that init hook. Callback function, copy the function name and create a function. Under this function, for getting course member or in LearnDash, we use LearnDash function. First, define the variable course member. We can here I am using LearnDash function LearnDash get course access from meta. This function takes one parameter, course ID. Here I want to get course member of that course and the ID of that course is 202. Here you can also see the enrollment count. Enrollment student the count is 3. Paste the course ID. Here I am copy the variable name and paste it under bottom function. We here LearnDash return the course member in an array format. Save the file and open the front end and refresh the page. Wait a second. Here in LearnDash, course member return in an array format, but if you want to get that member as a count, so you can use PHP function count. Just copy that variable name and paste it under count function. This count function return the exact number of that course. Refresh the page. Here the count function return 3 and you can also see the enrollment student of that course is 3.